The path to happiness and freedom lies within our ability to consciously shift our energy. This is not just about fleeting moments of joy, but about cultivating a consistent state of inner harmony and well-being. It requires mindfulness and deliberate action, as every thought, choice, and intention shapes the way we feel and the life we create. By paying close attention to our inner state and taking steps to align ourselves with higher vibrational energies, we open the door to a more fulfilling, peaceful, and meaningful existence. The journey toward this state of being is deeply personal, yet its effects ripple outward, touching every aspect of our lives. Cultivating positive thoughts is a powerful practice that can transform how we perceive and engage with the world. When we consciously direct our minds to focus on what is good, beautiful, and uplifting, we create a mental and emotional environment that supports our growth. This doesn't mean ignoring challenges or suppressing difficult emotions, but rather choosing to anchor ourselves in gratitude and optimism. Over time, this intentional focus on positivity can rewire our thinking patterns, making it easier to find joy and solutions in even the most challenging situations. It is a practice of mental discipline and self-compassion that ultimately shapes our energy. Surrounding ourselves with uplifting influences is essential for maintaining a harmonious vibrational state. The people we interact with, the environments we inhabit, and the information we consume all contribute to the energy we carry. When we spend time with supportive and inspiring individuals, we naturally absorb their positivity and encouragement. Likewise, creating a physical space that feels nurturing and engaging with content that uplifts and educates can help us stay aligned with higher frequencies. By consciously choosing our influences, we protect our energy and create an external environment that mirrors the internal peace we strive to cultivate. The law of attraction reminds us that like attracts like, which is especially true when it comes to our energetic state. When we operate from a foundation of self-love, acceptance, and compassion, we naturally draw experiences and relationships that resonate with those qualities. This is not about forcing positivity, but about genuinely embodying the energy we wish to see reflected in our lives. As we consistently practice these virtues, we create a magnetic field around us that attracts opportunities, connections, and circumstances aligned with our higher selves. This creates a positive feedback loop that further reinforces our inner growth. Nature provides one of the most profound examples of unconditional giving and vibrational harmony. Mother Earth, in her infinite wisdom, offers us sunshine, fresh air, and nourishment without expecting anything in return. Her generosity is a reminder of the boundless abundance available to us when we align with the natural flow of life. By observing and emulating nature's example, we can cultivate an energy of openness, gratitude, and giving. When we radiate this kind of unconditional positivity, we create a ripple effect that not only transforms our personal reality, but also inspires and uplifts those around us. The energy we radiate has a powerful impact on our surroundings. When we choose to emit positivity, love, and acceptance, we influence the energy of the people and spaces we encounter. This ripple effect can change the dynamic of our relationships and create an atmosphere of peace and understanding. Each act of kindness, each moment of forgiveness, and each gesture of compassion contributes to this transformation. By consciously embodying these qualities, we not only enhance our personal experience, but also contribute to a collective shift toward greater harmony and connection. Science has shown that happiness is not dependent on external circumstances, but is instead an internal state we can cultivate. While material possessions, achievements, or external validation may provide temporary satisfaction, true and lasting happiness arises from within. This realization empowers us to take responsibility for our emotional well-being by focusing on our thoughts, choices, and actions. By practicing mindfulness and deliberately choosing higher vibrational states, we can tap into an inner reservoir of peace and joy that is not swayed by external events. Mindfulness is a cornerstone of this process, allowing us to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment. Through mindfulness, we can identify patterns that no longer serve us and make conscious decisions to shift our energy. This practice creates a space between stimulus and response, giving us the freedom to choose how we react to life's challenges. By consistently redirecting our attention to thoughts and actions that uplift and empower us, we create a foundation for sustained happiness and inner peace. It is a skill that grows with practice, offering deeper insights and greater resilience over time. Choosing higher vibrational states is an act of self-empowerment that transforms our experience of life. It involves recognizing our innate ability to influence our reality through our energy and intentions. This choice is not always easy, especially in the face of difficulties, but it is profoundly rewarding. By aligning ourselves with love, gratitude, and compassion, we access a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. This alignment not only enhances our own well-being, but also creates a ripple effect that positively impacts the people and circumstances around us. Your thoughts are the architects of your reality, carrying a frequency that shapes your experiences. Every belief, intention, and inner narrative contributes to the vibrational state you emit. When we choose thoughts rooted in hope, possibility, and self-worth, we elevate our frequency and attract experiences that reflect these qualities. Conversely, negative and self-limiting thoughts can lower our vibrational state and perpetuate cycles of struggle and dissatisfaction. By becoming aware of this dynamic, we can take proactive steps to choose thoughts that support our highest potential. When we align our energy with positivity, we unlock new opportunities and pathways that resonate with our higher selves. This alignment often leads to serendipitous experiences, deeper relationships, and a sense of flow that makes life feel meaningful and rewarding. It is a process of trusting the natural unfolding of life and recognizing that we are always supported by the universe when we operate from a space of love and authenticity. The more we commit to this alignment, the more our lives begin to reflect the harmony and abundance we seek. Acceptance and self-love are foundational to maintaining a high vibrational state. These qualities allow us to embrace ourselves fully, including our flaws and imperfections. By practicing self-compassion, we create a safe internal environment where growth and healing can occur. Acceptance also extends to others, enabling us to approach relationships with understanding and empathy. This creates a cycle of mutual respect and connection, fostering deeper bonds and a sense of belonging. Through self-love and acceptance, we cultivate an energy that is magnetic and transformative. Gratitude is a powerful tool for raising our vibrational frequency. When we focus on the blessings and abundance already present in our lives, we shift our perspective from lack to abundance. This simple yet profound practice rewires our minds to notice and appreciate the beauty and goodness around us. Gratitude also amplifies the positive energy we radiate, attracting more of the same into our lives. It is a practice that not only enhances our personal happiness, but also strengthens our relationships and enriches our interactions with the world. Every choice we make carries energy, influencing the direction of our lives. Whether it's a small decision about how we spend our time or a major life change, each choice contributes to the vibrational state we maintain. When we prioritize actions that uplift, inspire, and nurture us, we align ourselves with the flow of universal harmony. This alignment creates a sense of ease and synchronicity, where opportunities and solutions arise effortlessly. By being intentional about our choices, we take an active role in shaping a life that reflects our highest aspirations. Compassion toward ourselves and others is a vital aspect of maintaining a harmonious vibrational state. When we approach life with an open heart and a willingness to understand, we dissolve barriers of separation and resistance. Compassion fosters a sense of unity, reminding us that we are all interconnected and capable of supporting one another's growth. This perspective not only enhances our relationships, but also deepens our own sense of purpose and fulfillment. Through compassion, we create a ripple effect of kindness and understanding that extends far beyond our immediate interactions. Transformation begins within, as we take responsibility for our energy and actively choose higher frequencies. This inner work is the foundation for creating the external changes we desire. When we prioritize our emotional and spiritual well-being, we cultivate an inner strength and clarity that guide our actions. This transformation is not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey of self-discovery and growth. Each step we take toward higher vibrational states contributes to a life filled with greater joy, purpose, and connection. Radiating unconditional positivity is one of the most powerful ways we can influence the world around us. By choosing to emit love, gratitude, and kindness without expectations, we inspire others to do the same. This energy transcends words and actions, creating a resonance that uplifts and heals. Unconditional positivity is a gift we can give freely, knowing that its impact extends far beyond what we can see. It is a practice of living authentically and sharing the best of ourselves with the world. Each moment offers an opportunity to recalibrate and align with higher vibrational states. Whether we are facing challenges or celebrating victories, we can choose how we respond and what energy we bring to the situation. By staying present and mindful, we cultivate a sense of empowerment and resilience. This practice allows us to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and clarity, always returning to a state of alignment and peace. Each choice we make in these moments shapes the course of our journey. You are more powerful than you realize. Within you lies the ability to create a reality that reflects your highest aspirations and dreams. This power is not about control, but about alignment. Aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your truest self. When you embrace this truth, you unlock a wellspring of creativity, inspiration, and resilience. The possibilities are limitless, and each day is an opportunity to step into your potential and create a life that feels authentically yours. Choose your thoughts wisely, for they are the seeds of your reality. Each one carries the potential to shape your experiences and influence the world around you. By nurturing thoughts that align with love, gratitude, and possibility, you cultivate a life that reflects these qualities. This practice is both simple and profound, reminding us that our inner world is the foundation for the reality we create. The power to manifest the life you desire is always within your reach, waiting for you to claim it. Daily checklist for cultivating higher vibrations. 1. Morning intention setting. Take a few moments each morning to set a positive intention for your day. Focus on qualities like gratitude, compassion, or joy that you want to embody. 2. Practice gratitude. Write down or mentally note at least 3 things you are grateful for, focusing on both big and small blessings in your life. 3. Mindful breathing or meditation. Spend 5 to 10 minutes in mindful breathing or meditation to center yourself, calm your mind, and align your energy with positivity. 4. Affirm positive thoughts. Repeat empowering affirmations that resonate with your goals and values. Examples: I am worthy of love and joy, or I attract positivity and abundance. 5. Engage with nature. Spend time outdoors, even if it's just a brief walk. Connect with the natural world to ground yourself and soak in the high vibrational energy of the earth. 6. Uplifting consumption. Choose to engage with uplifting books, podcasts, music, or other media that inspires and energizes you. 7. Act with kindness. Perform at least one act of kindness, whether for a loved one, a stranger, or yourself. This could be as simple as offering a genuine compliment or lending a listening ear. 8. Mindful interactions. Stay present in your interactions, listening with empathy and responding with thoughtfulness. Focus on creating positive energy in your relationships. 9. Evening reflection. Reflect on your day by noting the positive moments, lessons learned, and any shifts in your energy. Acknowledge your efforts to maintain high vibrations. 10. Energy recalibration. Before bed, let go of any lingering negativity by practicing a release ritual, such as journaling, visualization, or a gratitude prayer. Reset your energy for a fresh start tomorrow. Thank you for spending time here at the International World Wisdom Well and learning from this carefully curated rare audiobook. We hope you find this teaching nourishing and insightful. We urge you to read